I met more new suppliers and got many contacts, which was very beneficial for me. We are purely online player, means we don't have any stores where people can go to. Our customer order online and we do the delivery. And our USP is that we deliver within 60 minutes. So people are ordering via app or web shop and we deliver within 1 hour. It's great, as I said, that the world is coming together. Suppliers and producers from all over the world. So that's a great atmosphere and a great opportunity to meet all different people. I would like to add that it's very well organized. I'm very grateful to be able to join this top buyer. It was really a pleasure being here. Wir treffen uns wieder auf der SIAL 2026.